In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reach board 5 in Monopoly Go. Whether you're a seasoned player or a newcomer eager to advance, these steps will guide you on your journey. First things first, you want to make sure you have Monopoly Go open and ready on your device. Taking a moment here to ensure your game is updated to the latest version can also help avoid any potential hiccups. Once you have the game open, direct your attention to the build option. This is a crucial part of advancing in the game. By tapping on Build, you're embarking on the essential process of developing your properties within the board you're currently positioned on. Building all the items required in your existing board is the key strategy for making your way to board 5. It's crucial to prioritize completing all the constructions on your current board before advancing. Each item you build contributes towards the overall development of your board, which in turn is essential to unlocking the next level. This ensures you're not just hopping from board to board without setting a strong foundation, which is imperative for long-term success in Monopoly Go. Now, once you've successfully built all the required items on your current board, the path to the subsequent board becomes available. However, it's essential to confirm your progress and understand exactly where you stand in the game. For this, you'll want to utilize the map feature, which offers a comprehensive overview of your progress. To access the map, direct your attention to the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the three bars at the corner of the screen. Think of this as your central navigation system in the game. Tapping on these bars will unveil a menu that has the map feature. When you select Map, it provides a visual representation of which board you're currently on, as well as your progress in the game. This is an incredibly handy tool, allowing you to strategize and plan where you need to focus your building efforts. It's important to regularly check this map to ensure you are on track and making progress toward your goal of reaching board 5. Well, that covers the critical steps you need to take to advance to board 5 in Monopoly Go. By focusing on building all items on your current board and utilizing the map to track your journey, you're setting a solid foundation for success. Keep these tips in mind as you play, and you'll be progressing through the boards in no time. Thank you for watching. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and strategies for all your favorite games. Happy building and good luck getting to board 5.